Hello everyone, this is Kamlesh Towar. Our digital assistant Clara will take you through the technical video.
Let's discuss the problem statement and the components used. The components used to design this product are listed in TI and non-TI category. These are the TI components used. These are the non-TI components used. Let's try to understand the problem statement. Frequently we read news about industrial accidents. What is an industrial accident? It is basically a series of unavoidable events in an industry that results in disaster. Be it due to chemical explosions, machine disruption due to excessive vibrations, improper maintenance or any other cause, consequences remain the same, that is, living life is at stake when such accidents occur. This is the recent statistics about industrial accidents in India. It clearly shows that a lot of improvement is needed in this sector to prevent such incidents and save lives. So this brings us to our problem statement, which will help the maintenance department in preventing industrial accidents by continuously monitoring the health and predicting the status of the rotating machinery. The idea to achieve this is by sensing the vibrational parameter of the dynamic machine and plug in artificial intelligence algorithm on this sensed data to predict the root cause of these vibrations. Now the demonstration.
Let's see the demonstration. How AI code will predict the condition of a dynamic system. This is the testing setup that we have designed and we have added some defects purposefully. So the defects added are mass imbalance condition, as we have added these screws on one side of the load. Second defect is looseness of the nut bolt, which will create an effect of misalignment of a shaft. This is boost XL sensor, which will sense the vibrational data, and this is MSP432 controller, which will take the data from boost XL sensor. Now let's see the working. These are the acceleration values that the PC has received. That acceleration data are logged and saved as a CSV file, which will be an input to the AI code.
This is the AI code. On its execution, it pop-ups the security feature which requires login credentials for authorized access. After successful login, user need to add the data file as an input to AI code. On clicking the predict button, conditions of the system is predicted. As in this case, it is seen that mass unbalance is predicted accurately. Once the status of the system is predicted, it is stored in database for future reference.
Other than predicting the exact source of vibrations, there are some other features that are included in our product. First is software security. Software security is a very important aspect that is considered in this product. A separate login credentials with authentication interlinks will be given to the authorized persons to have special access to the software. Second is log maintenance. In this, all maintenance records like what all defects were arrested by the software and their details are stored. Also, it is better than paperwork and can be printed if necessary. Next is remote monitoring. Along with the vibrations, Boost XL sensor also has the ability to sense other parameters like temperature, pressure, luminance, etc. These details of the system would be directly visible on the screen and suitable action plans can be scheduled. Then comes the auto trip of a dynamic system. As vibrations in the dynamic system increases, temperature gradually rises. Using this relation, we can set a temperature threshold defined by ISO standards. If by any reason the maintenance department fails to arrest the uneven conditions of the system in a given time frame, the designed product will check the temperature of the system, and on considering all further process parameters it will send an alarm. Also parallelly auto-trip the system before any incident occurs. Now, applicability of the product. The product that we have designed is applicable where the vibrating machine is showing symptoms due to defect in bearings, looseness of fixtures and fittings in the system chassis, or any uneven load on a shaft, for which if not predicted in time can result in breakdown of the machine leading to disaster. So here we have covered all the technical aspects of our product. Thank you.